It's the end of the weekend, but I still.
You guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Sheikah, and today, you guys, we're gonna be prepping my husband's. Oh no, ma'am. We're gonna be prepping my husband's food for the week. My husband is a. Sorry, you guys. Anyway, if you're new here, hey girl, my name is Sheikah, and you guys, today I'm gonna be prepping my husband's food for the road. If you're new here. She just gotta get in the camera, y'all. Anyway, guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Sheikah. On this channel, guys, we do a lot of DIY, home decor, anything motherhood and lifestyle. So today, you guys, I'm prepping my husband's food for the road. I prep his food every single week. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys want to see those kind of videos, like meal prep videos? And I'll make more of those. Anyway, I'm prepping my husband's food for the week because he does drive trucks. So he's gone all week long. So typically I prep him about 8 to 10 meals to take with him on the road, plus like snacks and things like that. So this week I'm gonna go ahead and prep his food a little bit early on. It's Friday. I know I prep it on Sunday or Saturday, but I have something to do this weekend. I'm going out of town with my mom for a gala event, which I'm so excited about. I'll tell you guys more about that in another video. But I'm prepping this food a little early, so I'm gonna show you guys how I get everything prepped. This week I'm going to be making something simple, nothing really crazy. I'm going to do him some breakfast bowls. He likes the deer sausage, so I'm making him some breakfast plates with some deer sausage and also like some different kind of sausage with some cheese grits and maybe a biscuit with some like jam on the side for breakfast. I'm gonna make him 4 of those plates, and then I'm gonna also make him like 3 different meals for like lunch or dinner. Typically he eats like twice a day, so I'm gonna make him some hamburger steak with gravy and some green beans. And then I'm going to make some shrimp scampi pasta with garlic bread, and then also a chicken and sausage Alfredo pasta with garlic bread, maybe some broccoli on the side. So if you want to see our purpose food for the week, just keep on watching and make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. I would love to have a party at home with Sheik family, you guys. And let's go ahead and hop right into the video. And don't worry about my hair, you guys. I just got done washing my hair, so I'm going to get it fade down in a little while. But anyway, let's get started. Alright, you guys, I attempted to do like a voiceover for this video, but baby Autumn would not let me be great. So I'm just gonna let you guys see what I end up doing in all the meals. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like more detail and me to kind of go over step by step with the prep for you, and I'll do that later in another video. But right now, you guys, I was trying so hard to do a voiceover, but baby Autumn just was not letting me be great. So just enjoy me prepping the food, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think about meal prepping. Do you guys like the meal prep? Do you guys prefer to make your meals fresh every day? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, go ahead and continue to watching the video.
places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa. Yeah. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I
Guys, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the bag, pop it in the fridge, and he is good to go. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to our next milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you share it with your family and friends, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.
Where are you?